Guys, Scotty with Miller Marine. In this Key West, just installed this new lithium ion battery, 36 volt, one battery, very clean install. There's the charger outlet, very simple. We're also doing JL audio system as well. There's the amp, all the breakers are over there. There's speakers all around. It's gonna sound pretty good. Later date, we might put a sub in it. New plugs in. Trolling motor's gonna go right here to deploy, and that way he can still open his hatch when he's got the anchor there. So, doing your bilge pump, doing a freshwater wash down as well. And then this is the boat. Eventually, we're going to put a nice big black piece of acrylic here, and Simrad gauges here, and switch panel. So it'll be a nice day.